Cheno matimo penj madongo ma klas 6 KPSEA to kod klas 8 KCPE odonjo odichienge mar ariyo. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod jotelo madito e piny owacho notelo ne chenro mag yawo otese mag penygo okinyi ma kawuono. Ruto manoyuoro e sikund praimar mar Joseph Kang'ethe kadak ma Kibera osingo ne jonyuol ni piny owacho ni kod chenro makare ne nyithindo motimo penj mar klas 6 machano donjo e sikund secondary madundo midendo kaka Junior Secondary School. Olero ni aput marango chenro ma somo ma CBC machiegni ni biro golo ler ewi kuonde ma nyithindo ma dhi e sikunde ma secondary madundo biro dhiye.
Are so blessed.
I want every official who has been vetted to participate in this exercise to make sure that they discharge their responsibilities in accordance with the training and the agreement that has been done between the multi-agency team and all those who will be administering these exams, to make sure that there are no incidences, that there is no disruption, that there is no distraction, and all our students have an opportunity to have their examination in a tranquil environment.
I want to tell you the sky is the limit. Be focused and concentrate on your education. And one day you'll be men and women of substance. So I want to thank the teachers for preparing you well. I want to thank your parents for taking care of you, making sure that you are well fed, you are well brought up, you have good clothes, and you are in a good position to come to school and learn. I want to thank the teachers who have prepared these learners for the good job that you have done. And I want to say once again that the teaching profession is a calling. Nobody can compensate you adequately for what you do. It's a sacrifice. And that is why we are calling for respect for our teachers, because what they do is a calling. It's such a huge sacrifice. I have also been told that you have 27 teachers at a TSC and 5 teachers employed by the Board of Management, which is quite a burden to our parents. And since I have come here, I want to give another taking that the 5 teachers that are employed by BOM are going to be employed by TSC in January, when we are employing more than 30,000 teachers.